So in this video, you'll learn how to change the text size on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you want to make the text bigger or smaller, then all you need to do is just navigate to your system settings. And then from here, you want to scroll and select the option Accessibility. Next, look for text size and select it. Then you should see three options. You have default, you have large, and you have maximum. So by default, it's always set to default, which is the current text size that you're seeing on my screen. If you want to make it large, you can just highlight that option, then select it. A few seconds should pass and you should see your interface text size increasing. If you want to make it even larger, you can go ahead and select maximum, and then you can see it increasing even further. And so now that will now be your new default text size on your Switch. So every time you open up something, as you can see, the text size has actually increased across my whole console. However, if you want to switch it back to default, you can just come back to accessibility, then come to text size and select default. And so that's how you can change the text size on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.